So we have some leftover boiled potatoes from yesterday, and we have some boiled rice, white rice. So let's see what we can do with that. Since we are in lockdown, I keep experimenting with food. So this is going to be another one of them. We'll see what happens. So I'm thinking let's add some greens and some potatoes. Sorry, not potatoes, some spices to it. Those ambulances outside are really driving me crazy. I lose my focus. Alrighty, so let's see what spices I came up with. I have my dry parsley and coriander leaves that I dried last year. They're coming handy. Look, the color is still pretty. Then I have my crushed cumin and crushed coriander seed, that is, black pepper, mustard seeds, salt. And then I was talking about greens. I forgot we are in lockdown and I'm running out of fresh stuff. So I have some green onions, some chili peppers I found, some cured meat. I chopped it up. So let's put all that together and see what we can do with that. That's all in the bowl now. I think I'm going to either mash them, break the potatoes with my hands, so I'm gonna chop it into small pieces. Let me see. Let me try with my hands. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to use my hands, and this is the texture that I'm coming up with. I was trying not to use any machine because I want it a little bit grainy. I don't want it very a paste-like consistency. I wanted a little bit grainy, little bite to it. Okay, so let me continue. I'll be right back. I got the consistency I was looking for. It's all coming together. See, it's all coming together, and I don't need to add egg or anything else to bring it together, so that's good. Let me shape it into whatever shape comes to my mind first. Okay, my dears, that's what I came up with. Let me show it to you up close. Isn't that pretty? So we got 4 potatoes, 2 cups of rice. We got 1 tablespoon of coriander, and everything else is 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, and green onions. That's like 1/4 cup of green onions and 1/4 cup of mild chili peppers. And everything came together. It's looking nice and pretty. And with this consistency, because it's sticky, because of the rice and potato together, I don't think I need much of oil. I will just grease the pan with a little bit ghee, and I'm going to make them golden brown on each side, and I'll see you in a minute. Let me prepare for that. Okay, so I have my potatoes, potato rice cakes, whatever you want to call it. Oh, come on, do you have to make that noise right now? Okay, and I have my ghee ready, and I have my pan ready. This is my homemade ghee that I made a few months ago. Just a little to grease the pan, like I said, not using too much. If it was not for the family, I would not even use this much. I would just go with the non-stick pan. Alrighty, I think it's ready. Let's place our potato, rice, patties, whatever you want to call them, one at a time. Beautiful. I am in 101% of survival mode right now because of the pandemic. This pandemic, this virus is really taking a toll. Groceries are not coming in on time, so I'm not about to waste anything, and I'm going to be as creative as I can with whatever leftover foods or whatever I have. So let's do this. Let me make room for another one, and I'm hoping for them See, I put one more in there in the middle. I'm giving them enough distance so they don't stick with each other. And I still have 3 or 4 more to make. So that's plenty for the family. Just like I said, be creative. And you never know, this is kind of, I'm doing it in front of you so you can see when you are creative, you can come up with things. And we are in this together, so let's survive it. Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. I'm hoping for them to, the bottom to turn out nice and golden and crispy. So I'm gonna be back in a few minutes and let's see how it goes. How does that look? I turn one side and I'm going to give a little more color on the other side. While cooking, they became a little bit softer than the consistency I made the mixture. So I'm hoping when it's crispy on the other side, I'll be able to pick them up without any fear of breaking them. And looks good to me, you know. You guys know I never waste any of my foods, and especially now in this time, you know, while everything is being delayed, the groceries are being delayed, the paychecks are being delayed. So I'm just gonna stretch the buck, and I'm already, like I said, 101% in survival mode. I'm expecting you to do the same thing. Be creative, be creative. Look how what we can come up with the leftover foods, right? Alrighty, let me plate that out. I'm being a little bit tactful picking them up. If I slide this all the way under, I can easily and safely pick it up without breaking it. So we are ready to come out, right? Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's pour ourselves some coffee. Okay. Now, look at them. They're so pretty. I'm having it with the ketchup. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me break a piece to show you. This is what we got. So you see everything in here. You see the onions, the peppers, the cured meat, whatever you can use. A little salt and pepper for spice, a little cumin. Bismillah. There we go. I'm ready to eat right here in my kitchen. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Love face. Bye bye. That looks like a good experiment, doesn't it? Go ahead and try. See you later. Oh, good. Oh, that's so good. That's so yummy. See how fast it's going?